Hello everyone, welcome to our Precalculus lesson video. This is for the final exam practice paper, and most of the questions actually you already have seen. So this is somewhat a revision video also, just a very short one, because we will be talking about different questions that you already have seen. So the plan is to take the exam from 2 p.m. but since that in that date actually we do not have any other classes, so we are open to take it slightly earlier if you all prefer. So during the class time we will decide about that from your opinion. Okay, so uh, my rough plan is to take it from 2 p.m. and 2 hours exam, and there will be we will give you here, since it is final exam, the plan is to give you total 10 questions. Out of 10 questions, you will try to answer 7, and we will consider the best 7. Okay, so out of total 42 marks, we'll take the exam, and then 25% from the 42 marks you will take for the final grade counting in the Google Classroom. Okay, and the other things are pretty much the same thing. So now let's look at the question very briefly. Most of the question actually you have seen here from here. It's like this matching with the questions and their graphs. This one, when some sinusoidal graphs are given, how to match with the questions and their graphs. This kind of question. Then these questions also you have seen from some from from our previous lesson, also from the exam exam paper, I think. For different angles, where you will have to find out the time taken for this object to come down to this place. So, and of course then we little bit deviate to make 3 questions out of it. Okay, some practice problem is like this. This is another question also. This one is from trigonometry, analytical trigonometry. If the angle is given, like which one is the correct solution, then if based on this condition within this interval, what is the solution. This is like solving within this range. Find the exact value of this. All these questions are somewhat discussed in our previous classes or previous slides. Basically, basically we have taken 4 quizzes. Out of that 4 quizzes, this final exam. Okay, this is like the main setup. Main setup is this. So this is another question which is related to projectile motion, optical measurements like simplified form, and do some calculation for different angles. From the simplified form, the calculation is easier, and where the intensity is maximum, this kind of question. This should go to the next page. So this is very recent, almost recent, and this is about from our matrix algebra, about related to the money, lending money, and the total amount interest and other things. This maths. This is about cryptography, and we plan to make the cryptography math a little bit more interesting. Let's see what can we do. But the process is similar. Will remain similar. In in general, the cryptography related maths are always interesting. When you can send some um, secret information to your friends, or to other people in some coding, or in some secret, in some secret sequence. Just you and your friend will know what is the message there, but other people will not know that. So that kind of thing. And from this 9 number, all the questions starts very recent, just from our yesterday's quiz. Yeah, it's already yesterday because 2:37 a.m. So yeah, so from our yesterday's quiz, this maths from the box plot. then from reading the graphs, and last one is from standard deviation and variance. That's the last one for the plan. So total we have total 11 questions here, and there will be total 10 questions in the actual exam. That's the plan, and we will discuss about it about all these things in the class one more time. Okay, so all the very best of luck for you all. See you all in the class. Thank you very much, everyone.